All right guys, so I just got to the Container Store. Hi Clutterbug. So I am here at the Container Store and I am trying to get some solutions for the pantry. So let's get started. I came in here personally for the over-the-door alpha shelf type of solution. So we're gonna get into it right now. We're gonna find it, okay? So we're gonna get a couple of these, and then I love these. Right, so we're gonna get a couple of these guys. This is for recycling, but we are going to use it in our pantry. So guys, I think we're gonna get these for the coat closet. So I like these boxes, guys. They're about 15 bucks. And I think I like this color. I like, wow. I don't know how I feel about how sturdy that is. I think I'm going to put anything in here that's heavy. These are called the Dallas storage boxes. Let me see about these. I want something that has a lid on it. Yeah. Do you love the Container Store or not? Oh, we have a couple here. I really just need 4. These boxes are cute. I really like these guys. And they have 4. So I really like the mesh type of basket. So this is all the stuff that they have for this over-the-door solution type of set. Drawers. Smaller basket. Okay, so I like this, and I think that it would be amazing in my pantry. So we're gonna find this, and we're gonna get it. Here. We're gonna get some cereal containers for our closet. This is like heaven for storage. I think I like this. Organization kit. Oh, these are from the Home Edits. I love how they're just clear, clean looking. Some Lazy Susans. You can never go wrong with a Lazy Susan. Look at that. Wooden Lazy Susan. But they're a good price. And they have some really, really nice colors. What I have here are some of the things that I plan on putting in this closet. So down here, I purchased these from the Container Store. And basically it's supposed to be like for recycling. I bought 6 of these. Come with this little tab where you can open it up and I guess see what's in there. Also, I like the sheer fact that it came with labels. And we're going to maximize those labels. Also, I bought these clips from the Container Store to go on top of these baskets that I purchased. So I love the bamboo look. Okay, so I bought 9 of these. 3 bigger, large ones, and then 6 small ones. I also purchased these from Amazon, and they're actually spice jars. Well, that's what I'm going to use them for. I've already labeled them, and we will fill them. I have spice, jars that I had before, but I am going to be giving those away, and I'm going to be using these because it just ties into the bamboo theme, which I love. Also, I bought these jars. These are like vinegar jars or condiment jars. I bought these also from Amazon. These are the OXO Softworks 8-piece pop container sets. Now, I thought that this was a steal because I purchased these for $59.99. Usually the 9 or 10 set of this comes in about $99 or so. So when I saw that, I actually purchased 2. I went to the Container Store and I purchased this Alpha Utility Door and Wall Rack Solution in white. It looks like these. It looks like this. The shelving that I have in my closet looks like this. So that's why I purchased it. This thing has 6 shelves. When I went to the Container Store, I had a 30% off coupon and I used it. I am going to put this on the door so that we get more bang for our buck. So there's some things that I've already done. So a lot of things I labeled already. 4 shelves. We're going to use all this space here at the bottom. And then we are going to put our wall solution door rack thing here. So right now we are going to open up our Alpha set and we're going to get to building it, okay? All right, so we have our handy dandy scissors. Jacking stuff up, okay? Instructions. Okay, like looks pretty simple, right? Okay. I was supposed to be looking at this, but I was looking at that. That took us no time. Oh my goodness, guys. Look how much space we have gained just with this alone. We'll probably have to play with how, oh my God, that looks so good, guys. Door closes nicely. Oh my God, that is... Clutterbugs, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Okay. It took us no time to put it together. And now we've gained 6 additional shelving units in this pantry. I am like shook. So in addition to the 4 that we have here, now we have 6 more. We will now pick this mess up off the floor because it's giving me anxiety. Look how fast that was. We didn't need Bob the Builder to come here and build it. We did it ourselves, just that quick. We are going to, perfect. So 6 can fit there. What I may do is go back and get another small to go in between here so that we can fit all the spices on. So, and then we might get another one to go here so that all 24 can go right here. I like the Alpha system because it is completely customizable. So because of that, I may go back and purchase 2 more small so that all of the spice jars can be on here like this. I think it looks so clean, and I think with the bamboo baskets, it's gonna look really, really good, guys. Stop wasting this space. This is real estate that can be used. Look at that. Look how much space is created for us, okay? Stop leaving this space unused. This is prime real estate, the door, okay? This here is all my containers. They have been labeled, so we are going to start to fill them. Alright guys, so now we are going to do the spice jars because I am no longer going to house them in a cabinet. I am going to now house them in our pantry. So this is where I used to keep my spices. Doesn't look the best. So now we're gonna give it a little update. All right, so you guys know how you go out to eat and you get all those sauce packets and they wind up either ending up in your cabinets or in some like dish or in the refrigerator. Well, I came up with something that cuts it down for me. Keeps me looking at them to make sure that they're good. I put them in a mason jar. So with the mason jar, it gives me kind of control. So I can't have more than can fit in here. If you can't fit in here, then I can't keep it. Then I have to reevaluate what sauces I would like and what sauces I would not like. Okay? So we'll put our bamboo lid on there, and that's it. Voila. So now we have all of our jars. All right, clutter bugs. So we are all finished the closet and I am so excited for you to see it. So let's just get into it. All right, bugs. So here is the closet. This is how we did. All right, guys. So that that cabinet that I used to house all my spices is no longer. I decided to put the spices here. I kind of color coordinated them. Let me just say how I love how this turned out. These are all my vinegar and condiments. All right, so now let's get into the actual pantry.